morning, children. Today we are going to do a new chapter, Going to Buy a Book. It is about two children. They are going in the market to buy a book. So it is a very interesting. We'll read and we'll understand what it is about. Going to buy a book. One day, grandfather gave my brother and me some money. Go and buy books, he said. We were both very happy. We both love to read. Now what happened one day? Grandfather gave my brother and me some money. One day, what happened? One day grandfather gave the money to my brother and me to buy the books. And they were really very happy because they love to read books. एक समय की बात है, जो दादाजी है उन्होंने इन दो छोटे बच्चों को कुछ पैसे दिए किताबें खरीदने के लिए, और उन्हें शौक भी बहुत था पढ़ाई करना। उन्हें किताबें रीड करना, पढ़ना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था। वो बहुत ही खुश थे। When somebody gives you money to buy something from the market, do some shopping, so you are so much eager and happy to take it. So now what happens? See, should we go now? Should we go now? Should we go late? Should we go today? Should we go tomorrow? We decided to go right now. Now what happens when somebody gives you money to buy something or do shopping from the market? So you are very much eager to purchase something. You want to go just right away. So over here you can see your brother and sister, they're deciding. As soon as grandfather gave them money to buy book, they're deciding that should we go now? Should we go late? Should we go today? Should we go tomorrow? We decided to go right now. हम अभी जाए, हम बाद में जाए, या फिर हम कल जाए, या फिर हम परसों जाए। फिर बाद में क्या हुआ डिसाइड, फिर वो अभी जाना चाहते थे, वे अभी जाना चाहते थे, तो वो अभी तुरंत ही किताबें लेने निकल पड़े। Should we go to the big market? Now they're deciding where to go. Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the small shop? Should we go with somebody? Should we go alone? We decided to go to the small shop, just the two of us. Now what happened over here? When somebody gives you money to buy something from the market, right? So you are very much eager to go right away to purchase it from the market. So over here you can see the two children are very happy. They went right away to take the books from the market. But now they're deciding that they should go to the big market or the small shop. They should go with somebody or all alone. And then the last decided to go the small shop. Go to the small shop and just two of us. अभी क्या हो, जब खरीदने मार्केट जाते हैं तो हम डिसाइड करते हैं ना कि हम बिग शॉप में जाए या स्मॉल शॉप में। हमारे साथ कोई होना चाहिए या फिर हम अकेले ही जाएं। तो लास्ट में क्या डिसाइड होता है, यहाँ पे बच्चे क्या डिसाइड करते हैं, वो लोग जाएंगे स्मॉल शॉप में ही, छोटी सी दुकान में, लेके अकेले। We like the small bookshop. We like the small bookshop. It is small, but it has many books. The man in the shop likes us. He always helps us. Now what happened? The child went to the small shop only. There were many big shops in the market, but lastly they decided to go to the small shop. So they went into the small shop. It was small, but it has many books. Now the shop was small, but it has many books, we are saying. The man in the shop likes us. He always helps us. The man in the shop is what? He likes us and he was always ready to help us. अभी क्या हुआ, जब लोग डिसाइड कर रहे थे बड़ी दुकान में जाए या छोटी दुकान में जाए, स्मॉल शॉप बिग शॉप, लास्टली बच्चों ने क्या डिसाइड किया कि वो जाते हैं स्मॉल शॉप में, छोटी सी दुकान में। लेकिन जो शॉप थी वो काफ़ी छोटी थी, लेकिन अंदर जो किताबें थी, जो बुक्स थी, वो बहुत सारी थी, बहुत बहुत ही सारी थी। और जो दुकानदार था, जो शॉप का जो ओनर था, वो बच्चों को पसंद करता था और उनकी मदद भी करना चाहता था, वो हमेशा उनकी मदद करता था। Should I buy a book with lot of pictures? Should I buy a book with a lot of stories? Should I buy a thin book? I could not decide. अभी जब ये बच्चे स्मॉल शॉप में गए तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारी प्यारी प्यारी किताबें थी, बहुत अच्छी किताबें थी, तो लोग कंफ्यूज हो गए। लोग सोचने लगे कि किताब हम उस तरह की खरीदे वहाँ पे जिसमें बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स हो, या फिर बहुत सारी कहानियाँ हो, या फिर पतली सी थीन बुक, कोई पतली सी बुक खरीद लें। लोग डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे थे। We did not know which book to buy. The man in the shop smiled at us. Relax, come with me, he said. What happened now? They were a little bit confused, so they did not know which book to buy. Now the man in the shop smiled at us. Now who was the person in the shop, he started smiling at the both of them, brother and sister. He said, relax, आराम करो, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत सारी किताबें हैं और आप मेरे साथ चलो। और फिर what happened, just see. These books are about animals, those are about machines, those over there are about wars. Take away what you want. अभी वो उन्हें थोड़ा इजी हो जाए सिलेक्शन करने में कौन सी किताबें खरीदनी है, उसमें ये ओनर जो है शॉप का जो था उसने इन बच्चों को हेल्प किया। उसने इन बच्चों को बुक्स बताई। थोड़ी बुक्स एनिमल्स के बारे में थी, कुछ बुक्स मशीन्स के बारे में थी, और दूसरी वहाँ पे रखी हुई थी वो बैटल वॉर के बारे में थी, युद्ध के बारे में थी। और वो जो शॉपकीपर जो ओनर था उन्होंने क्या कहा बच्चों से कि आपको जो किताबें चाहिए आप ले सकते हो, टेक व्हाट यू वांट। I picked some books. My brother picked some books. I sat on the floor, he sat on the chair, and we read and we read and we read. Now what happened? The shopkeeper helped both boys and girls, brother and sister, to take the book from the shop, to make them decide which book to be taken. So he helped them by showing them that these books are of animals, those books are of machines, those books are about wars. So what happened? Here slowly, one by one, they picked up the book. Even the brother also picked up some books. The girl sat on the floor. You can see over here. She is sitting on the floor and the brother is sitting on the chair. And they started reading. What happened? They started reading. If it was very quiet, it was very quiet. There was no sound. 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed. Finally, we knew which books to buy. Now, what happened? They were so much engrossed in reading the books, in looking the books, they did not knew about the time which passed away because it was very quiet. There was no sound. बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं थी, एकदम खामोश थे सब। तो 1 घंटा बीत गया, 2 घंटा बीत गया, और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कौन सी किताब उन्हें खरीदनी है। The man in the book shop smiled at us. जो इंसान जो दुकान में था, वो जो आदमी था, वो हंसने लगा बच्चों पे, स्माइल करने लगा। I got a fat book with many stories. यहाँ पे एक ने क्या खरीदा, एकदम फैट बुक, मोटी सी बुक जिसमें काफी स्टोरीज थी। My brother got a big book with many pictures. और उसके भाई ने क्या खरीदा, किताबें जिसमें काफी पिक्चर्स थे। You can see over here, काफी पिक्चर्स थे। We ran home to our grandfather. We climbed on his bed. We ran home to our grandfather. क्या हुआ, जो भाई बहन जो थे, ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स, वो तुरंत ही अपने ग्रैंडफादर जो दादाजी है, देख सकते हो उनके पास वो दौड़ के चले गए। दादाजी कहाँ पे बैठे थे? बेड पे. We climbed on the bed. He put his arms around us and then we read and read and read. और फिर लास्टली क्या हुआ ये देख सकते हो. दादाजी ने क्या किया? आर्म्स जो है उनके अराउंड he kept around us and then they started reading the book and they were so much happy enjoying reading the books like that they went on reading and reading and reading. So this was the story about the chapter Going to Buy Book. How the brother and sister went to the shop to purchase the book whichever they like. And the money was given by the grandfather. Dadaji gave the money to brother and sister to buy the book specially, whichever they like and they are interested in it. Even they purchased the book, they brought it home, and all three of them lastly read the book and enjoyed it. So dear children, I hope you have understood the lesson very well. Read the lesson once and the uh, exercise in this chapter we'll do in the next session. Thank you.